Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda Rose and thank you so much for joining me again. If you are new to my channel, hello. Please make sure that you subscribe so that you can see more of my videos, and if you are not new, welcome back. So today, as you have already seen, you clicked the link because we are talking about fresh, easy, quick makeup. Now for myself, as many of you should already know, I am a teacher. My alarm goes off at 5:15, 5:30 in the morning, the latest. And honestly, I'm not the type of person that can just get up, get dressed, and leave the house. I have to do my makeup. I'm just not that kind of girl. And so I've tried to figure out a routine that works for me, that's fast, that's easy, and at the end of it all, will not waste a lot of time in the morning because time is so precious. I feel like it goes by the fastest in the morning. And so I wanted to put this together for you to show you that it is possible to have good looking makeup and for it to last all day without having to compromise time. I also put a timer in the video with me. I chose to do a voiceover just because I knew that if I talked you through a lot of it, I would be spending a lot more time explaining and that will prolong the process. So everything is in real time. It took me 10 minutes and like 14 or 15 seconds to do this. And again, it's my foolproof morning makeup. If you're in a rush, it's just easy. It'll last for a really long time. And so that's pretty much it. One tip that I would definitely say though before I even start this video is the only way to really be able to do your makeup quickly is to already know what makeup you want to use. So first thing I always do is I always have all of my makeup laid out already. The products that I want to use in the morning, I use the same exact products every single day. So hopefully you guys would like to see how I created this look. Again, it's super duper easy. You can do this. There is no excuse to not wear makeup when you are leaving the house. And if you like, again, like I said, please make sure that you subscribe, like the video, click the little bell notification just so that you are updated when I post videos. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Hey, so here I am showing you guys all the products that I'm going to use, and that's me being like, you see, lay them out, it's worth it. So here's my timer. I'm going to set it, and then as I mentioned earlier, you will be able to see everything in real time. So first, I'm grabbing my foundation. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me in 220. When you're in a rush, I completely skip out on primer. I'm not using a primer. I'm just going to take my finger and apply my foundation all over my face, and then I'm using a brush. I find that a big kabuki brush like this, I'll put it down in the description bar what the name of it. It is from Morphe, but it's such a big brush that it just covers massive places on your face. And you don't have to worry about, you know, oh, my beauty blender, it's so small. Like, this is just so fast and easy. Then I figured, I can kind of see some more of my freckles. If you have freckles and you want to leave it like that, cool. But for me, I just want to cover them a little bit more. So I just went and put the foundation right on the brush, and then I just continued to blend it out fully. I went over my eyes because my eyes are really red and discolored. So I just wanted to make sure that my entire face was just even. Then I'm going in with my concealer. I am using my Sephora concealer. I really like this. I used to use this in the past, and again, like most products, you try new things and then you forget about old ones. But this one's really good, and this is in the color Custard, and it's really, really affordable. It's like 14 bucks. So I'm going to go and I am using my beauty blender to just blend all of it out. So again, this might take a little bit longer than normal because usually I would fast forward through this entire process. But I wanted you guys to see again how I really get ready in the morning. Now, if I'm being honest, I go ham. Like, the way that I blend out this stuff in the morning, my arm hurts just because of how fast I move. So even though it's 10 minutes in this video, I'm sure I can knock this out in 8. But I didn't want to look like a crazy blending psycho, so I'm slightly taking my time, but not really. So here I am blending it out everywhere, making sure that your base is just as smooth as possible. You don't really want to mess around with that since you're focusing on that the most. Then I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me powder, also in the color 220. And I'm putting that under my eyes, and you can see right away once I apply the powder, it just completely mattifies my skin. And this is also going to ensure that your makeup will last as long as possible. But I am looking for a new powder, so if any of you have any suggestions, please let me know. And then I just take this small fluffy brush, and I'm just dipping it into the powder and setting the rest of my face. Nothing too heavy, because you don't want to have to worry about baking and then forgetting to blend out when you're rushing in the morning. Super, super simple. Then I'm taking this Tarte complexion palette, and I am dipping into the contour color there, and I'm just going to contour my cheeks. I'm not really doing this extremely detailed. I'm being messy, if I'm gonna be totally honest, but I'm just adding some color, some definition to my face, just making sure that I am not completely one-dimensional, but I'm not gonna give it the attention and the detail that I would if I were like going out or if there were like a special event. I'm just making sure I add some color that you can see like the cheekbones and that my face just doesn't look 100% flat. So once I finish applying that everywhere and in all the areas that I would like to, I am just going to move on and make sure that this is completely blended out. So I have a huge, big, fluffy brush, and I go over everything. And you're going to notice that this softens every single line on your face. And if you are, again, having issues, if you're in a rush, you don't have the time to really strategically place every single color with a brush. And so having a big fluffy brush with nothing on it and you just blend it out is a lifesaver. Then going in with this highlighter, how beautiful, what a pretty gold, right? This is from JCat Beauty. I got this at Ulta, and it's in the color Twilight. I'm kidding, it's not the color Twilight. Twilight is my golder one, like the more bronzy. I'll make sure I put this one in the description bar because the gold is just like a true yellow gold. It's so, so pretty. I apply this everywhere. You get an instant glow. You don't even have to try hard. It's just beautiful, and that pan is huge. Then I go in with blush. I like using a blush that has a little bit more of like a sheen, just because for work I want to make sure that I look fresh and glowy and I'm not like super matte and like perfect looking. So I did like to choose this instead. This is from Milani, and this is one of their baked blushes. And again, everything about when you do fast makeup is that you can look a little like chalky as far as like how exactly you're applying your makeup. So I didn't show that in this clip here, but just go over your blush really quick if you feel like, I don't like the way this looks. Then I just go in with the same color that I used on my face to contour, and I'm just putting that in my eyes. So you'll notice that you use the same exact products. We're not worried about eyeshadow. We just want to add some definition in our eyes. We ain't got time to do like a really beautiful eye. Put in some contour in your eye, and you're good to go. Then what you want to do is take the same exact highlighter that you put on your cheeks and put that in your inner corners. This is going to add a lot of cohesiveness, a lot of seamless. And again, you do not have to worry about picking up a million products to do your makeup in the morning. Reuse the same products for different purposes. Now we're moving on to eyebrows. Eyebrows take the most time. Oh my gosh. This can be 10 minutes all in itself. So the way that I have decided to cut down my time is by using a powder to fill in my brows. Now in all my other videos, you see me use a pencil. A pencil is precise, it's detailed, and you can get that beautiful brow. But honestly, I'm not worried about that for work. I just want to give my face some dimension and not look like I haven't done my eyebrows in about 4 months, which is completely true. So using a powder and using a brush, one, it's going to be so quick, and two, you don't have to worry about the perfect line. You just go in, draw under, draw on top, and then fill it in. If you're someone that doesn't like the bushy, messy brow, then you're going to hate this this approach to filling in your eyebrows. But I'm cool with it. Again, I'm not trying to look perfect. I just want to be acceptable and presentable when I walk out the door. So filling your eyebrows in with a powder, and this is a Wet n Wild powder. It's like $4. I use the middle shade, so everything that I've also used in this video is super duper affordable. Then I'm just going to go in with a brow gel, and this is from Benefit, and I just like going over my eyebrows. It also has a color. It's a little tinted, so this will just make sure that, again, they're super filled in and make them look a little bit more feathery, just because the powder can kind of
make everything look really one-dimensional. So this will give some attention to the individual hairs on your eyebrows. Then moving to mascara. I completely forgot to show you guys, but I have been obsessed with this new mascara. This is from Maybelline, or nope, it's from Loreal. It's their Paradise one, the full pink one. Now, if you've been watching my videos, you know that I am completely obsessed and married to the voluminous black. But this one, I get the same effect in less than twice the amount of time. Does that make sense? You guys get what I'm saying. I get the same look in less time. And so here it doesn't take me a long time to do my lashes. If I'm being honest, sometimes I won't even do them. And then I will just do them once I get to work if I know that that's going to take too much time. And then lastly, my lips. I just take a pink lip liner, something that's similar to my lip color but a little darker. And I'm just going to go over and line my lips. Some people won't even put anything on their lips, but I like this, especially because my face is so bare. I like that this kind of gives some life to my complexion. So line my lips fully. This is like a really cheap lip liner from like BSN. I get them literally from the 99-cent store by my house. And then this is a L'Oreal lipstick. It's from like the celebrity collection. So this one is the one that J-Lo would wear. And so it's a really nice nude pink. I blend that out with my finger just to make sure there's no excess and that it won't get on my teeth. And I believe that we are completely done. So here I was trying to be all cute and show you guys the makeup. And then I realized, oh shoot, I forgot to stop the timer. So I go and I grab the timer and you guys can see it there. It's at 10 minutes and 20 seconds. And I am done. That is the finished look. No excuse to get out the door and still look good. Hope that you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. I love you so much. See you in the next one.